Curtiss-Wright Corporation is a leading provider in mission-critical components across industries. Now you can find and download custom 3D CAD models and product data sheets of their popular products, all right from the website. From the homepage, hover over Organization and navigate to the industry and division you need. For this example, we'll take a look at the GTF product animation, a series of hygienic electric actuators. Click the GTF button to open the product page. From here, scroll down to the Overview menu and select Models and Drawings. If this is your first time visiting the website, you may be prompted to log in or register to access the 3D CAD models. Once you're logged in, click the red plus button to create a new item. After selecting the product series, the configurator window will open. Use the drop-down and selection tools on the left to customize the product to meet your design needs. On the right, you see an interactive 3D preview of the product, which you can rotate and zoom within the 3D viewer. The configurator offers a wide range of views, so you can see the critical dimensions and up-close details. When you're happy with the product, click Download CAD, and then click Add Formats. Here you can browse from over 100 file formats and versions, so you get a file that works in your CAD software. You can also choose a file format by category, or by typing the name of the CAD system into the search bar. Next, click Start Generation, and your CAD model will be ready to download within seconds. You can also generate a 3D PDF datasheet. These files include an interactive 3D viewer, product specs, technical drawings, and more. This is great for those who need to access the product information, but don't need a large CAD file. For more great products, go to Curtiss-Wright.com and visit PartSolutions.com to learn more about online solutions for industrial manufacturers.